All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be dialing in from. My name is J. Joshua Beisel, president of BrandOnline365. And in this video, I want to show you some of the apps and games we've already created. And I actually want to show you how easy it is to build your own app. And even more importantly, the power of push notifications, how you're going to be able to use mobile apps to connect with your audience, your prospects, and your customers in a deeper and more meaningful way than ever before. Now, this is an Inner Circle exclusive video, but I'm going to be releasing this to everyone to remind you how important it is to be part of our Inner Circle. Now, how do you do that? Well, during pre-launch, all you need to do is successfully invite at least 7 people to take a look at Brand Online 365. I'm going to talk more about that towards the end of this video, but it's a reminder that we have a powerful share system that can help you get the word out about Brand Online 365 to as many as 15,000 people in just under 3 minutes. There's no reason, if you're serious, that you shouldn't get at least 7 people and become an important Inner Circle member here with Brand Online 365. Now, let's jump right in because we do have a lot to share. I want to do a quick screen check here, make sure that you can see my iPad. And I'm going to show you one of the apps we have on our iPad. I'm also going to be showing you one of the apps that we have on our Samsung Galaxy. Let's make sure that that screenshot is working there and make sure we get our times all synced up here. Let's take a peek. And that screenshot should be coming in here in just a second. And you should see the time on that screenshot switch over to 9:16 a.m. And there it did. Now, just real quick, you'll notice up here on the top left, you see that little icon there. That means that I have 1,566 unread text messages. I've got some unheard voicemails. You can imagine things have been really going crazy around here with all the excitement surrounding Brand Online 365. So we're going to get there in just a moment. But first, I want to go ahead and share with you the big picture here. And the big picture for those of you watching this video is to position yourself early to maximize your early mover advantage, to literally position yourself to make a lot of money. Now, experts have been hailing Brand Online 365 as the next giant in the direct sales industry because of all the technology we have, because we have a message that is resonating with people right now. If you're a business owner, internet marketer, network marketer, entrepreneur, you're already thinking mobile. You're already thinking branding and advertising. How do you get more traffic this year? How do you generate more leads, customers, and sales? Well, we're going to be teaching you that inside of our live support training, and we're going to be giving you the ultimate tool and mechanism that you need, which is mobile apps. And if you look right here on the screen, Entrepreneur Magazine this month talking about branding. Okay, you'll also see the Forbes magazine here. In this magazine, very exciting, it actually shows you 5 new billionaires that have been created just from mobile apps and games. Now, that's a conversation that is already happening in people's minds. All you need to do is share. Get the word out about Brand Online 365. In fact, towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can literally leverage our share system to get the message about Brand Online 365 and your affiliate link in front of as many as 15,000 people in just under 3 minutes. So stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and talk about our USP, our unique selling proposition. Well, here at Brand Online 365, we have a mission to actually help you get paid for simply giving away free mobile apps and games that brand you and help you earn free advertising for life. Plus, you're going to have an opportunity to share in our third-party advertising revenues as our games hit the marketplace. I got to tell you, this is absolutely huge. And some people have asked, hey, you've got a great system there. I've been hearing a lot about it, but can I do it? Well, absolutely. We've got a point-and-click system that makes building and branding yourself through mobile apps very easy. All you'll need to do, which I'm going to share with you here on this webinar, is choose a template or ready-made app, add your contact details, upload a picture if you want, add your social media links, copy and paste any content you want, click go, and our admin team and our system is going to do the rest of the work for you. And then all you need to do is start sharing. It is that simple, and I hope to be able to demonstrate that to you right here on today's video. Now, some of the other things I'm going to be covering on today's video, showing you how easy it is to make an app, showing off a few apps that are already completed. I'm going to show you one of the games that we've created that is going to bring in a lot of advertising revenue, which we're going to be potentially sharing with you if you lock in your position here when go time happens. And I'm also going to be showing you push notifications, and throughout I'm going to be talking about the big picture, attraction marketing, building a list of people who know who you are and what you can do to help them, and then effectively staying in touch with them. And if you're a marketer, you've probably heard that, especially in the last year, the efficacy of email marketing to your list has diminished because open rates have crashed, and there's just too much spam, and email is just not working. But push notifications have a read rate as high as 98%, and that's a game changer if you compare that to email, which is usually only read 2 to 10% of the time, depending on which stat that you're reading. So that means push notifications can give you 50 times more marketing power. And the best part is it's fast, it's easy, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that right here on this webinar. So let's just jump right in. I want to show you one of our apps here on the iPad, and this is the BrandOnline365 team app that I'm actually going to be showing you. It's already available in the Google Play Store if you want to go download it. We also have a handy app viewer for those of you on iPad that want to see some of the things that we're doing, want to preview some of our apps. We can actually help you do that. And don't miss our special event coming up May 15th and 16th, the Penthouse Suite, the Bellagio, where you're actually going to be able to go in and see exactly what we're doing and actually play with some of our games and apps right there at the event, meet the leadership. This is our BrandOnline365 Team Connect app, and this app is designed for us to help stay in touch with you, our affiliates, and our customers, okay? And here you can actually see we've got webinars, we've got the event right here, the Bellagio. It's got all the details there, who to contact and how to get through to them. We've also got, if you'll take a look, our webinars are on this app. So if you always, if you want to see when the next webinar is, make sure you're registered for it. You're going to be able to do that right here from this app, which is really exciting. We've got our YouTube channel. We've got just one video on there now, but we're going to be adding several more videos, keeping you up to date. And again, you can just click, excuse me, you can just click and play that right here on your phone. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible. What I love about mobile is that literally people leave the house, folks, with only 3 things today. They leave the house with their wallet, their car keys, and their phone. And now that means they're taking you with them everywhere you go. You know, 20 years ago, people were handing out business cards. You put it in your wallet, and it sat there until you got a new wallet. 10 years ago, people were magnetizing the business card so you could put it on your refrigerator. 5 years ago, we were handing out CDs that were business card size. And today, your new business card is your mobile app. And there's a ton of things here. You've got another demo app, the Where's My Car app. This is handy if you're traveling, you go to the airport and you want to go ahead and just set a little marker where your car is, or you go to a mall or an unfamiliar place. It's a great safety app for women. If you have any teenage drivers in the home, this is a great app for them to be able to put on their iPhone or their smartphone, so that they always know where their car is, that type of thing. It's just an example app. We've got several here. So a lot of great stuff here. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to show you an app here, and I'm shaking my iPad because that's what you're supposed to do with the iPad. I'm still not used to that, but I'm going to show you one that we put together for Wendy and Linton. Just real quick here. They're still customizing it, working on it. They're really excited about it, and it's awesome. And I'm just going to pop it up here on the screen, and then I'm going to move on and show you some things that are on my phone here. So enough with the iPad. Let's jump over here, and let's go ahead and take a quick peek at one of the games that we have. Let me see if I can get that up on the screen. And I'm going to turn my volume up so you can hear this fun game. And I got to tell you, in today's world, what you've got to do is you've got to get games on people's phones. 52% of people are playing games on their smartphone. I'm going to request a screenshot here, and I'll show you my my horrible score. I can program games, but I'm not very good at playing them. So we'll see if that comes through there. Give that just a second there. There it is. You can see my high score today is 11, and the one I just did was 8. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play here. I'm going to go ahead and play this and turn the volume up there. Maybe you can hear it through the headset, maybe not. But, all right, let's see if I can beat that high score of 11 there. And what's great about it is you're going to, oh, no, I got a high score of 3. These things are really addictive. And what's great about it is because people play them so much, what happens is the advertising revenue just skyrockets because we've got ads in the game, and we're going to be sharing that revenue with you. So, all right, let's see. Yeah, there it is. My high score of 3 there. That's Swinging Monkeys 365, folks. That's awesome. But now what I really want to do is I want to show you how powerful push notifications are, okay? I want to show you how powerful push notifications are, and I want to show you how you can actually use this system to get your message in front of your prospects right away. Let's just go right in here, and I'm going to send out a push notification live on this quick video. I'm going to show you how fast it reaches your audience and how easy it is. In fact, I think excuse me, I think we can do this in about 60 seconds here. So all you need to do is log into your back office there. You're going to have the option to send it out to iPhone app users, Android app users, or both. And what's great about this is it's so simple. This is a live push notification test. And I'm just going to put the time in here as 9:26. It's 9:25. I'm going to send that out here in just a moment. But what's great about it is you're going to have app downloads from all over the world potentially. And maybe you don't want to send a message to everyone in every country or everyone in every city and state. You can actually use our location-based system to send push notifications to just your team members in Vegas, or just your team members in Chicago, or just your team members, or just your prospects, or just your customers in Australia. Maybe you're a brick and mortar business and you only want to give, the northeast side of the area that you work a special incentive, so you don't bring in too many customers this week. Maybe you want to test with a small area. Well, you can do all of this and so much more. Now I'm going to go ahead and send this to all users today. And content, you can send just a regular push notification. You can send a link to a URL. You can send a link to a specific tab within your app, or you can actually choose from a custom HTML offer. And what's powerful about this is that it gives you a way to actually share color and rich content with your team. And statistics have proven that this is a much more effective way than just plain notifications. So I'm just going to put J. Joshua test on here. I'm going to just put don't miss it on here. Okay. And I'm going to put my name in here. So simple. I mean, it's point and click, folks. If you can't point and click and send this out, then there's something wrong. This is just so easy and so powerful. 365.com. Make sure you get your website and your information in there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my message here real quick. And I'm going to change the time to 9:27 since it took me an extra minute to get this done. But I want to show you something here. It's really important. As a marketer, we know we have to post in social media. We know we have to post in Twitter. We know we have to post in Facebook. And so sometimes people say, well, Josh, how am I going to have time to use this new media to send to my list? I mean, it just takes time to do all those things. Well, I've got great news for you. Not only are we going to give you the most impactful and powerful way to communicate with your audience, but we're also going to cut the amount of time you're already spending on marketing about in half. You see, you can use the system to actually post here and have it automatically submit to your Facebook and Twitter at the same time. So instead of going to Twitter and Facebook independently to make your post and then coming over here, you only have to come to one place, put in your message, and automatically share it on Facebook and Twitter. Okay? And it looks like that took another minute to explain, so we're going to send that to 9:28. We're going to click over here to publish, and you can schedule this, folks, to go out at any time, early in the morning, late at night, middle of the day, set a date, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to publish it right now, and it took me, I don't know, a minute or two there, mostly explaining things to you. We're going to come over here to our app viewer, and I am going to request a screenshot. And I'm going to show you right here on my screen. Hopefully that will pop up. And check the times, folks. It's now 9:29. And let's see if that will actually go through. And you'll see there's a little notification right up at the top from BrandOnline365. Now, I'm going to pull down my messages and I'm going to screenshot that as well. Okay, so request a screenshot. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And let's make sure that that goes through. And you'll see right on here that it's a live push notification from 9:28 and it is still 9:29. So this is an instantaneous, powerful way to get your message on the desktop of everyone's tablet and phone that has your app downloaded. This is super powerful. Now, here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to request another screenshot, and I'm going to go ahead on my phone and I'm going to click right here. And I'm not going to just see a text message. I'm going to see a full HTML offer pop up. Look at that. Okay. This is powerful marketing. If you want to succeed in today's competitive marketplace, if you want to have your marketing, advertising, and branding cut through the clutter, then make no mistake. This is the most powerful system you will ever use. We have everything you could possibly imagine, ready-made apps and games that you can give away and put your brand on people's desktops, or you can build your own. Speaking of building your own, let's go ahead real quick and show you how fast we can build an app. And my team has been challenging me to see if I can build an app in under 3 minutes. And I don't know if that's possible, but I'm gonna try. What I chose to do was actually build an app for a real estate person. This is their website over here. And so you see they've already got a website. And if you already have a website, building your app can be even faster. And I'm just going to copy that domain. I'm going to come back over here step by step, folks. Let's start the timer. It's 9:31 here. I'm going to click start. That wasn't too hard. We're going to select industry. We've got a ton of pre-made industries for you ready to go. I'm going to select real estate. I've already put in the name of the app, Dream Home Finder, and I named it SA Dreams for San Antonio Dreams. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the website URL and click next. And you can see that popped up right there. And it analyzed the websites, gathering content, putting in the finishing touches. I don't know if I'm going to make this 3-minute mark, folks. Now you've got to select, you know, exactly how you want the app to look. And I like the multi-row design sometimes, and I just think it's really, really cool. I think I'm going to choose this one. I don't know if that'll look good or not, but you can always change it. It's so easy. So I'm going to select that one and click next. And this is going to allow me to pick the app features that I want. There's so many to choose from. There's more than are even listed here. You can put your listings tab on there if you're a real estate agent, social media, blogs, picture gallery, a real estate guide. You know, you can book a showing of a home. I'm just going to choose the ready-made selections right now, and you can always come back in and customize them anytime you want. And here it says that your information has been saved, and you can scroll up and down and see those are all your tabs. You can edit the content over here. One of the things that I highly recommend that you do is put in your phone number and use the click to call system. It's great because when someone opens your app, the first thing they're going to see is a little button that says call now. If your goal is to get people calling and contacting you, that is a powerful feature that you can add in. You can customize background images, app layouts, appearances, choose your buttons, do all of those types of things all right here. We don't need to customize anything for the purposes of this quick video. And here you're going to see the preview of the app showing up. You've got HTML5, you've got Apple, you've got Google all right here. And this is actually demonstrating that right there to you. Oh, wow, look at that. I mean, it is awesome. I think I would change that picture a little bit, but this is a great looking app. And I think that actually took about 3.5 minutes or something. And then publish, folks. It's really as simple as that. You can literally you can get started, and you can make apps, and you can make games, and you can make this happen. Anybody can. This is a global opportunity, affordable for the masses. And what I want you to do right now, if you like what you see, now that you know that this is real, I want you to take action. Get the word out. You only get one opportunity to make a first impression, and our pre-launch and soon grand opening is your opportunity to position yourself ahead of the masses and get a team out there actually growing. If you haven't been on one of our live company overview calls to see the power of our compensation plan, up to 100% commission payout, this is absolutely incredible. People are just going nuts over the 50% Infinity Check Match program. It is absolutely the hottest opportunity to hit in years. People are so excited about it. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take action. I want you to get in touch with your team. I want you to send out your invites. Get them sending out their invites. Make sure that everybody is sharing on Facebook and Twitter. We want to get the buzz going, letting people know that BrandOnline365 is here. We're the real deal. This is the opportunity that you have been looking for. Send out the affiliate link. All you need to do is go to BrandOnline365.com, and the top right is a little login button. Click on that. Okay? Once inside, it's a great invitation system that will allow you to send out 7 invites very quickly, share on Facebook and Twitter, and then start promoting to your list using your affiliate link. And the best part about this system is that once you've got your first 7 people, you're going to unlock some special recognition and bonuses, either VIP or Inner Circle. And there you're going to get direct access to what's happening now. Last thing I want to mention, we're going to close out this webinar, folks, is on May 15th and 16th, 2014 at the Bellagio penthouse suite. We're going to be showing off in person some of the apps. You're going to get to meet some of the developers, some of the leadership, myself, some of the key people behind this incredible movement. This is your opportunity. Don't miss it. I want you to get the word out to every marketer, internet marketer, network marketer, business owner that you know. Start sharing. Everybody has worked with entrepreneurs in the past. There's probably dozens or hundreds of them on your Facebook right now, on your list, people you've worked with in the past. The time is right now. Let's spread the word. I'll see each and every one of you at the top and on the inside. Bye for now, everyone.